In this video, I've already started doing the unboxing of the DELL XPS 8700. This is a 4th generation i5 processor, that is series 4440, and this is the base model of the 8700. As I said, I've already started unboxing it, and I'll just show you what came in the box. So we have here some paperwork. This is the warranty, safety, and regulatory information. We have the DVD for the drivers and utilities. We have a standard power cable, a 5-button mouse, USB DELL mouse. We have the quick start guide, and then we have a multimedia keyboard from Dell. Let's go ahead and put all of these aside, and let's look at the main feature, which is the actual computer. So what we have here is the DELL XPS 8700, and on the front of it you will see that it has a whole different gamut of SD card slots. So we have the standard SD, we have the the CF, we have the what do we have there? The micro SD, mini SD, as well as the Sony Pro Duos. So those are basically a whole bunch of multi card slots. And when I say multi-card slots, I'm not referring to just one card can fit in a slot. I'm referring to maybe 2 or 3 can fit in a slot. So that is there. We have 2 bays here. These are 5.5 inch bays, and in bay 1 we have a 16 speed or 16 times DVD reader writer. In bay 2 we currently have nothing in there, so that is empty. And then right below that you'll see over here we have 2 USB ports. Those are USB 3.0 ports. We have the Dell logo, and on the bottom here we have basically, I'll just move that back a little, we have some venting grills over here to intake cool air. On the top, just go ahead and look at the top now. So on the top we have here, we'll start off on this side, with the headphone jack, then we have the mic jack, then we have a standard USB 2 port. And then this one here is also a standard USB 2 port, but it is what they call a power pass-through. What that means is, even if this computer is powered off, this USB port here still gets power. So this is convenient for charging, let's say, a cell phone or any other device that you need to charge that is USB powered. Over here is the power button. It's conveniently placed right on the front and on the top there. So we'll go ahead then and turn this machine around. So we'll see here, nothing on the side here, just the XPS logo on this side, and we'll just swing it around to the other side as well. Again, we have some grills over here, and then the XPS logo on the side there. And now for the back. For the back we have a standard power cable. We have here a power light indicator, and then a reset button. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not sure what this reset button is for. It might be for a reset in case there's a power surge, so there may be a power surge protection in here, or it may just simply be a regular on and off switch, but I'm not 100% sure. So I will have to test that out and comment or provide some additional information on that. Underneath that, we have the network interface. This is a gigabit network interface. We have underneath, beside that, 2 USB 2.0 ports. Below that we have a pair of USB 3.0, and underneath that another pair of USB 3.0. So we have on the back side 4 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0. Underneath that we have a covered up HDMI port, so that would be an onboard HDMI. That is covered up, but no issues there. We have an external serial ATA. We then have our regular 7.1 surround sound interface jacks. We have DVI, We then have HDMI, so this one here was covered up, but your video card has one built in. And then we have a VGA port. So, just to give you some specifications on the video card, this is a NVidia GeForce GT635. This is a 1 GB DDR video card. So in here, what you can't see is it does have a built-in wireless card. It is a DW1703, and that is for speeds of B, G, and N, as well as Bluetooth 4.0. So Bluetooth 4.0 is the power, basically the latest version, and it is power saving and increases the distance when it comes to Bluetooth. On the inside of this, as I said, we do have a 4th generation i5 processor. It does come with a base memory of 8 GB. This is DDR3 1600 megahertz or 1.6 gigahertz. It does come with a spin drive. It is a 1 terabyte 7200 RPM spin drive. So that concludes this video. This is just the unboxing of this item. If you have any questions about it, please do post it. I do read those comments and read those reviews. And in my next video, what I will be doing is opening this up and taking out that spin drive and replacing it with 2 solid-state hard drives. And the reason for that is just a little quicker speed, as well as just providing some redundancy. So we will be configuring those 2 drives in a RAID format. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.